ko alam. Sana tinanong natin ano. Ayan si Luz oh. Ako ang tour guide niya dito sa Jordan.
Ay, hindi tayo pupunta din sa baba?
Hindi ko nga alam, dapat tinanong natin ano.
Picture doon daw.
Bawal saan?
May mga tao din doon sa baba eh, oh.
Pwede naman siguro, hindi ko lang alam kung saan ang daan. Halika kasi mag-ano tayo. Halika na. Doon o, doon so, you know, nakikita mo yon. O, dito, hindi tayo mag-picture dito. Dito banda. O, mamaya na, halika na, mag-ano tayo. Buti na lang, medyo mahangin-hangin. No?
Yung ticket ulit.
Buti na lang.
Pasok na tayo dito, okay
Buti na lang, mayroon akong ano. Binigay sa'yo 50 JD?
Oo,
Ah,
sa akin.
Buti na lang, may ano tayo nito. Sunblock lang talaga ang kailangan. Bantay ka sa akin, lus-lus ka talaga. I don't know, di ba yun, no? Yun yung nandun sa ano, di ba? Ayun, ang Roman Theater. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Hercules. Guys, nandito kami sa Jordan. Doon ng Roman, ano yun?
Roman Theater.
Roman Theater. Ito ang Hercules. Tama ba? Kung di kukunti lang kasi mainit. Alam mo, Luz, maganda dito pag winter.
Oo.
Kaso nga lang, pag winter, hindi ka rin tatagal kasi sobrang lamig.
Really?
Oh, ha? Walang sunglass. Kasi nga sabihin ko na lang kay Luz, di na lang kami pupunta, mag-mall na lang kami.
Pwede.
Tama, walang ganong tao. Kasi nga, ang init pa. Winter, summer pa. Bihira pa naman yung nakakaano ng ano, ng English. Saan? Wait, tanong natin dito.
Baka magpunta yan sa baba.
Saan ba? Hi, hello.
How are you?
Amo hada for who?
No, it's close.
Ah, in
This
the,
is the new one, but he's not beginning.
how we go there?
You want to go to the Roman Theater? This is another place. It's another ticket.
Ah,
Yeah, you have car? No,
no.
you have two road. One road from this corner. You see this corner?
Ah,
You can see the steps in the house.
ah.
Down another steps.
What the
down.
name this? Roman
Roman
Theater.
Theater.
Ah, okay. This is
This is Citadel.
Citadel. Ah, okay.
Citadel. This is for the Roman time.
Mm.
You know, but before you leave, please, just a small question. Actually, my work here, my business photographer. I know everybody have good iPhone, good mobile. I move with you inside. I give about 25 picture.
Mm.
Roman Theater, I have very clear from this corner.
Mm.
Another picture of Temple of Hercules. We see this is temple up there. This is the Hercules temple. This is before 2,800 years.
Okay.
Another picture for the church from Byzantium. The church from Byzantium behind the temple of Hercules, the church 1,800 years. I move with you up there. I want to show you the Umayyad Palace.
Mm.
This is very old, 1,300 years. Inside, very beautiful picture.
Where?
Another picture with the flag of Jordan.
Okay.
Another picture panorama of Maldus temple. And I want to show you the hand of Hercules with elbow. This is original for the Roman time. When I finish with you, give me your WhatsApp. I insist that your pictures like good resolution, high quality. And I want to show you something.
How much we gonna pay from it?
Yeah, I know. Look at this one. I want to give you this one. Nice picture. Can I show you? Please.
It's okay ay video.
Yeah.
Ako ang tourist guide ni Luz. Tinuro ko siya dito sa Jordan bago kami bumalik ng Dubai.
Look for.
tanungin mo kung afford natin yung ano niya. Oh, di
أصل
Am-
just hold it. You can go. Come together,
Kuya.
just like this.
How?
Where is the sun? Yeah, I need you. Move like this.
Like this?
Give me this.
Dalawa pa kami.
Hmm?
We both two. Oh, it's a-
Close. Wow, it's nice. Look at you. So everybody say Habibi.
Habibi. Come to Jordan.
Come to Dubai.
Habibi.
Wait, Habibti.
Ito ang tinatawag nilang. Doon maganda rin magpa-picture, oh.
Ang ganda nga niya, te.
Patingin.
Ang ganda nga niya.
Pwede ba
So,
akong magsuot din?
For me,
Suot ako niyan.
a 25 picture inside. I want to show you everything.
Here, here.
The price 10 dinar for both.
Ah, for both.
So,
Ganda.
How about our picture?
okay, before 9 months, for me, I've been here 15 years. Before I make like a group pictures, Italian, German, France. But this time, 9 months, no more tourists because you know no problem.
Yeah.
My job this time, email or WhatsApp. I want to give you my WhatsApp because after you see the pictures like high quality, just you have to send it to me message. You tell me everything is good because I make delete in my camera.
Ano, Liz? Sa tingin mo?
Wala. Ano lang yung pera ko dito? Not enough.
You know here is nothing. Up there it's very beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
I
No,
wanna
it's
give
okay
you
kasi
video.
meron naman tayong ano.
Listen.
Oo nga eh.
I want to give you video with your phone. You give me 2 hands and I move like this and I move with you with video. You know.
Yeah.
And later if you know, you can put it small music with this one. It's amazing.
Gusto ko yan. Picturean mo ko ng ganyan.
Ikaw, try mo.
Hindi, ayun o. Ikaw nga, di ba? Pinicturean ka niyan sa phone mo.
She want to try also that
Oh,
one,
okay,
brother.
no problem. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yalla, let's go up.
No.
No. Ay.
Ano
you
ba?
You need picture with my camera?
Ano ba, Luz? Ano mabidi?
20 lang yung pera ko, di ba?
No, it's
25
okay.
picture for 10 dinar for both.
10 dinar daw, te.
5.
Kasi meron naman tayong ano, di ba?
Kaya nga.
Come on.
We try na lang, later na lang.
Come on. I don't need money. Come on. Take picture. What?
Hada she, I don't know if hada she like or what. Mabarak.
Stop, listen. You give me 7 dinar for alone. Because
I can
Look-
pay
look
more.
the-
I
look-
don't have enough money.
look the mountain. It's easy.
Yeah, I know.
Everything is easy. No.
I will think about it later.
Yeah, when, yeah,
Give me 5 dinar for you alone. 20 picture up there.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I will try.
We
So
try.
if you change mind, come
Yeah.
back.
Yeah.
Pagkain ko na lang yun, ipipicture ko pa.
Andiyan ba siya sa likod natin? Eh kasi, di ba?
Listen,
Meron
Eh,
naman,
what about with your phone?
meron naman tayong
For both,
camera.
5 dinar for everything.
It's okay, Baba. I'm just following her.
Why you
only.
tell me, Baba? I'm not Baba.
Parang gusto niya, magpipicture niya lang tayo.
Mm-mm,
Tapos, ano,
Oo.
parang siyang gagawin nating tour guide.
Oo.
Ano sa tingin mo?
Ano, 5? Okay.
O, tapos sabi mo sa kanya. Sige, parang help na rin natin.
With my phone, Baba?
With your phone,
Okay. How much?
5 dinar
Okay.
for everything.
Okay.
What I do, 5 dinar is good for nothing. You know, look, no more tourists, nobody
Yeah.
is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yalla, come.
Okay.
It's my name, Kusai.
Kusay.
Kusai
Kusay.
Al-Baba.
Kusay Albaba.
Al-Baba is family name.
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh my God, it's too hot.
My God. What's your name?
I'm Luz.
Luz. And
Mirna.
Yanna?
Mirna.
Yanna. Yanna.
Mirna.
Mierna.
Yeah.
Mierna. Oh, this is good together. What phone you have?
I have only this one.
Okay, iPhone.
Where hada hon? Ang hon?
شو هذا؟
To go there.
هذا temple of Hercules.
Whew.
Yanna.
O, di ba? Ito kasi ang ginusto namin. Pagpunta dito ng ganito kainit. O, Oh, sunog na tayo nito.
Buti na lang ganito outfit ko.
Tigilan mo ako, Luz.
Sayang gluta ko
Where
eh.
you work in Jordan or Dubai?
Just a vacation here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So the first picture,
Uh-huh.
you see this corner
Yeah.
behind the robot.
Okay.
It's beautiful. Yalla, one by one, huh? Wait, Annie, come here.
Yeah, wait. I take a video.
Okay, now listen. I need move like this.
Like this?
Yes. Now this one up. Two hands. Okay. Thank you. It's easy. Now another hand again.
Okay.
Just another hand. Touch this one. Look up there.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. Now, come on. Look there. No, the same.
Ah, the same.
But you
Okay.
face there. No. Everything there.
Yeah.
Give me this one up. Just your face there. Yes. Wow. Just give it. Come on, say Habibi.
Habibi, come to Dubai.